Obedience is not the most popular word these days, but in 1 Samuel 15:22, promises
awake, headed to get an early morning workout in before the start of our day. All right, good morning, ready for my day. Finally, feel put together, so that's nice. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about what I do. My husband Jovan and I own our own marketing business, and I've been working alongside him and with him for the past several years now. And actually just recently, this January, I made the big decision of stepping down, working with him full-time, to be able to pursue my own dreams. So Jovan's marketing business is his dream, and I loved being able to help grow that and seeing it continue to grow. And it doesn't mean that I'm not working or helping out still in that business, just not full-time. So what I am on a mission towards is my dream, and actually about 4 years ago, he and I had bought a one-way ticket overseas to Bali, thinking that we were going to start a life halfway across the world. And we ended up staying there for 2.5 months until we started realizing that we just didn't have community where we were, and we didn't think we wanted to live overseas full-time. So after 4 months of being gone, we got an apartment sight unseen back home in Arizona and decided we were going to start our life here. And while we were gone, we shot a video for our family only. The intention was for our family to see it, and posted it on YouTube. And it was a video just walking through our villa that we stayed in while we were in Bali. And crazy enough, now it's got about 2.7 million views, which is crazy for me to think of. So my dream would be to, let's see where the YouTube channel goes. We've gone on many travels together. I have so much back footage, and we have so many plans for the future that that's what I'm going to pursue, because I love being able to share my travels with other people and being able to share special places, where to check out, how much we paid for this. So that's what I'm gonna dive into. Today, got my workout in, was able to take Hampton for a walk. That was awesome. Going to get in some editing time for a new YouTube video that I'll be posting shortly. And then also, Jovan and I have some meetings, and I have another meeting with another friend of mine. I help people with live events, and we have several live events that I'm helping coordinate some details on in the upcoming months here. So we've got a couple meetings planned, and we're out of food. I have to meal prep some food, and I think the most important thing and the thing I'm looking forward to the most is date night. It's date night tonight. We're going to a film festival. It'll be great. I'm so excited, and I'm glad you guys are on the journey today with me. All right, we're out of chicken. Gotta make some more. So, I cook our frozen chicken in my pressure cooker. No, I don't have the, what's it called? Instant Pot. See, I'm not even on the Instant Pot level because we're going old fashioned with the pressure cooker. All right, so what I like to do is take my frozen chicken, all right, once I've got those in there, I will add some water. My husband insists that I get some sort of bouillon flavoring just to make it better. Oh, there we go. So, put a little bit of that in there. Mix it up. High pressure, 12 minutes, and start. Make sure the little toggle circles line up so it can release the pressure naturally. And you set it and forget it, folks. That's it. While we're waiting, let's pick some lemons to make our lemonade. Okay, so this is how I make my homemade lemonade. I have 12 lemons I picked from the tree just now. I've already washed them, rinsed them off, so they're good to go. You just need lemons, a pitcher, and some stevia, liquid stevia. So what I first like to do is just cut a bunch of lemons in half before I start squeezing. And then I have a lemon squeezer, so I do this all by hand. So I'll just go ahead and start. Chicken's done. Start squeezing the lemons in this little container. Okay, so fill up your water, and then I have my lemon juice right here. What I do is just take a little strainer and pour it inside. Like this. All right, now the last thing I do is add stevia. So I usually do about 3.5 droppers full. Get out my wooden spoon. Give it a stir. Taste it. And enjoy some yummy lemonade. Lunchtime. All right, I know Jovan will be pretty hungry, so I'm going to make gnocchi with chicken, the chicken that we just prepped and made. Just want to show you how I do it. If you guys don't or haven't tried Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi, step on it. It's amazing. vodka sauce, Alfredo sauce, some sort of mixture there. Yummy! We're done with our work day. I am so excited. It's date night. I need to go get ready, right, Mr. Man? Oh yes, right. I'm gonna go get changed, touch up my hair, touch up my makeup, get ready to go on date night with Jovan, and I'll show you what I wear. Oh, you did it, Hammy! Mama needs to curl her hair again. Alright, I am wearing a bodysuit from Abercrombie, a leather skirt from Ralph Lauren, but I thrift stored it, and some knee-high booties, suede booties by Michael Kors. Almost ready for date night. Wish we could take you. Whenever we think of date night, we don't put ourselves in a box and keep it to something that's fancy every time. For example, when we were on a budget, sometimes we would go to Chipotle and share a burrito bowl, and that was great. That was fun. And then we'd walk over to Barnes & Noble and browse the bookstore. You can do lots of creative things with date night. It doesn't have to be going out every single time to a really fancy restaurant, and that's how we found balance in our budget and trying to make it work, because date night we have made non-negotiable. It has to happen for the health of our marriage. And yeah, just wanted to encourage you guys out there that it doesn't have to be super fancy every time. Jovan and I are headed to Happy Hour to get some sushi at one of our favorite places. And sweetie, what's the #1 rule of date night?
No talking about work.
No talking about work, that's right.
So watch yourself.
Watch yourself. Woo. I worked out shoulders and my shoulders are getting tired holding this thing. So, the BAM Film Festival that we're going to, it's a film festival which basically they string together a whole bunch of mini documentaries of people going on different outdoor adventures. People skiing, mountain biking, rock climbing, pretty much anything, camping that you could think of, cross-country trekking, and they string all these videos together and they sell tickets to get people to come watch. And Jovan and I have gone to the festival 3 years, it's our 3rd year now, and we love it. It's really inspired us to get outdoors more. This last year, we actually got tickets to Havasupai Falls. One of the craziest things that I've ever done, and I think, would you say the same?
Word.
Yeah. It was really challenging. 10-mile hike in. Pretty much you're trekking down to the base of Grand Canyon, camping on an Indian reservation. It's awesome. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. But yeah, back to the festival. We just like to get ideas and like to see these inspiring stories. So that's what we're headed to tonight. Just got back from the show. It was incredible. Washed up my face, got jammies on, hanging with this guy. And winding down, just having a glass of wine. 1 per night because balance. So thanks for following me along in a day in my life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.